Welcome to the future. Tired of hearing you need a yacht full of cash to invest? Guess what? You don't. Today, we're cracking the code on how to start investing with just $100. If you think investing is complicated, boring, or just for people who wear suits on weekdays, you're wrong. We're making this super simple, super friendly, and maybe a little funny. Right now, you look at $100 and think, that's maybe 4 fancy coffees, or that impulse buy I don't need. We're changing that mindset immediately. That $100 is now a tiny seed. Our promise? We're going to teach you exactly where to plant it, so it grows into a mighty future money tree. No finance degree required, promise. So, buckle up. We're ditching the complex jargon. We're keeping it simple, fun, and totally focused on getting your first $100 invested by the end of this guide. Before you dive in, let's talk about the super simple stuff that needs to be in place. Think of this as getting your helmet before riding the finance roller coaster. Rule number 1. Don't invest the money you need for rent, groceries, or that sudden urgent need for a new puppy. That's for your emergency fund, which lives safely outside the market. Myth busted. You absolutely do not need a fancy office or a 3-piece suit to start. All you need is an app, $100 and 5 minutes of courage. All right, the moment of truth. You have your $100 bill clutched tightly. Where do we send it to start making friends? First up, robo-advisors. Think of them as super smart financial robots who do all the work for you. You answer a few questions, they pick the investments, and you literally set it and forget it. Fractional shares are genius. They let you buy a tiny slice of expensive companies, like getting one slice of a $500 pizza. Your $100 can buy pieces of several different giants. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are like a giant investment basket filled with hundreds of different stocks. This is instant diversification, meaning if one company struggles, the rest of the basket cushions the fall. Don't put all your eggs in one volatile basket. So where do you find these robo-advisors and fractional shares? You need a good, easy platform built for us regular folk. Look for apps with low minimum investments and, crucially, low or zero fees for buying stocks. We need that $100 to work hard, not pay fees to some big firm. Setting up an account is seriously easier than ordering a complicated custom pizza. You link your bank account, verify your identity, and boom, you're ready to fund your investment journey. Now that you know the where and the how, let's talk about the magic ingredient that makes $100 turn into much, much more over time. Behold, compound interest. This is money-making money, and then that new money makes even more money. It's like your money is having babies, and those babies also grow up to have more babies. Time is your best friend here. The secret sauce isn't one huge deposit, it's consistency. Try to add a little bit whenever you can. Future you, sipping a cold drink on a beach, will definitely be sending you a postcard saying, "Thanks for starting small." So let's recap your lightning-fast $100 investment journey. You checked your emergency fund, ignored the fancy Wall Street people, and picked a simple platform. Whether you chose a robo-advisor, fractional shares, or an ETF, congratulations. You are now officially an investor. The journey of 1,000 financial miles starts with that first $100 step. Keep it fun, keep it simple, and keep learning. Don't panic if the market dips. Remember, you're playing the long game. Now go forth and plant your money seed. We'll see you on the beach in 2026. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.